The State of Social Media report provides the very first benchmark of social media success in Ireland's public sector. My big global ambition is to make sure that I can bring public sector marketing pros together, that I can have peer-to-peer conversations and offer peer-to-peer support. So we've invited Facebook to come along. Of course, they represent Instagram too. And what we're going to find out is what exactly should we be using in terms of Facebook and Instagram functionality and features. So everybody who came to the event today got their copy of the State of Social Media in the Public Sector. If you want to get yours, go to publicsectormarketingpros.com.